settings icon missing Android, phone icon missing on Android. So if the settings icon or the phone icon is missing on your Android device, there are a couple of reasons as to why this could be happening. First of all, there is nothing to worry about because the settings application cannot be uninstalled. So it's just that it could have been hidden somewhere. Depending upon which phone you're using, it could have been set or hidden in the hidden apps folder. So in the case of my Samsung device, if I actually go to my app drawer, tap on the three dots and go to settings, from here I can go to hide apps and home screen option and see if I have chose to hidden any of the app, which could also include the phone app and the setting app, and unhide them from here. Now even if you do not see the settings icon, sometimes they might not just be on the home screen, so they might still be on the app drawer, so you might try to look for them on the app drawer. After that, you can also access settings. If you simply swipe down your control panel settings from any Android phone, then you'll find the settings icon either there. On Pixel devices you have it at the bottom, and Silver devices you have there. So just depending upon what phone you're using, look for the settings icon and you'll be able to access the settings. From where you can try to go ahead and simply search for a software update and also restart your device, and that should potentially help you solve the problem. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.